Hello guys, it's Allison here once again. I have spotted a divergence on GBP JPY. That's this pair GBP JPY. Let's move that a little bit. You can see that on the 4-hour time frame. GBP JPY has shown divergence on the 4-hour time frame. Now it's been moving upward for some time, as you can see, and it looks to me like it has hit some both horizontal resistance and also downward trend line resistance. If I take this onto the daily time frame, so first of all, let me explain what I mean by the divergence. Okay, now simple divergence, it just tells you that the price is making a higher high, like you can see here and here, but the oscillator, I'm using a stochastic oscillator, is now making a lower high on itself. Okay, that on its own is a very early warning sign that this upward trend you're seeing here, is running out of momentum, and that a reversal is very likely. Okay, so when you see this kind of pattern on your screen, on your chart, the next thing you do, you look for a technical reason to go in the direction of the impending trend. Now if I go on the daily time frame and I zoom out a little bit, you can see that we are at the we have a downward trending channel. Okay, so the price has just hit that downward trending channel. So I'm expecting for this downtrend to resume. Okay, now if I zoom out a little bit more, you can see that I already have a line on my chart which showed me that this, where price is right now, is an area that has been tested multiple times in the past by price. Price has acted here as this area has acted as resistance. This was support here. You follow my mouse pointer. It's the support here, it's resistance here, and now I think it's resistance here. If I zoom back in, you will see what I mean. If I go back to my 4-hour time frame, that was what I described for you earlier. You can see that there, that the price is already making a lower low. Now I'll be looking for a technical reason to go short. If I zoom in, you can see that price is already being rejected in this area, and we're already having that pin bar formation on the 4-hour time frame. If you take it down to the lower time frame, 1 hour, which is my favorite time frame for trading, you can already see that price is already making a fall. Okay, so that is a way you can catch the trend early. What we do, when you also, something you need to understand, or something you need to know, when we find such when we find that divergence, you're looking for wicks also in that area. I can see one wick here, and I've equally showed you when I zoom to the daily time frame how that area has equally acted as support and resistance at various times before. Listen guys, I used the same strategy over the last couple of days, and I made over 250 pips just trading GBP AUD. That was an amazing trade. I put most of the screenshots in my Telegram group, and I'm going to leave that link below. Guys, if you want to keep your trading simple, this is what you should do. Learn support and resistance. As you can see, I've already marked up my chart. If I go back to the 4-hour time frame, I'm on my mobile phone, and so I'm on my accessing my MT4 via my VPS. Okay, so guys, you can see I marked up my chart with areas of interest in this purple parallel purple rectangles on my chart. Just shows you areas of interest. So this area that has acted as that has acted as resistance before, very likely is going to be support in the future. So if I'm going to trade this GBP JPY, which I'm unlikely to do because it's a Brexit period, we have elections today here in the UK, so I'm not going to trade that pattern. Okay guys, or ladies and gentlemen, so if this is going to drop, this is going to be an area of interest I'll be looking at to either take profits on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, I feel it's going to come back here and then act as support. But again, these guys can do what they want, but you understand the principles of support, resistance, trend lines, and then divergence. These are the things I'm beginning to take a lot of interest in, that's going to give you consistent profits. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification buttons so that when I make these videos like this to help you become better traders, you will get them. And also please share this video with your friends or fellow traders who you think might benefit from such a video. Once again, it's Alison. Leave me comments below or join me in my Telegram group, and I'll be able to see what we can do for you to simplify your trading. So I've just spoken about a divergence I have spotted on GBP JPY on a 4-hour time frame, which I think is going to yield a few hundred pips. Once again, it's Alison. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.